Alright guys, we're putting a YZ250 motor, no YZ frame. Finally got the motor back today. So let's get at it.
I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking, that's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions, that's something I do. I've been rolling around, that's something I do. I've been rolling around, that's something I do. I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking, that's something I do.
So, the motor's in it. Now we gotta hook everything up. So we're back. Got the pipe packed. Got the motor in completely. Now we're going to put plastics on. And then you guys are going to get us to a greasy, grimy,
A very greasy cold start.
greasy fucking 6-month-old cold start. She ain't been run about 6 months. Wait a minute.
Oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
I am. Try not to pinch any of our wires here. Ooh, that is very close. Okay,
Need the impact up, Toronto.
yeah, we did it.
About that. Okay. Ain't got the bolt I need. Hello. Nope, wrong size. Maybe it's a 10. It's not a 10.
What's a 12?
There's only 12 on this damn bike.
Huh?
There's only 12 on this damn bike.
Well, that's because the bolts that are 13 are supposed to be 12.
Well, I don't know what a 12mm Peter is.
Probably over on the ratchet when I got done using my
You hot sucking son of a turd nugget. I'm going to steal my tools, folks. Okay. Okay.
What he fails to tell you guys is this is my garage.
Actually, it is Pops' garage.
Well, it's my dad's garage.
No. I just had that. I'm gonna have none of that. Where'd the wrench go?
What wrench?
Fuck 10mm.
I don't know.
I ain't having none of that. But folks, I lost a 10mm.
Big surprise there. Normally.
Oh, found it. It was buried. Found it his dumb.
Oh, it's so hidden. It was so hidden. It was right out in plain sight, folks.
Kind of just being a pain in the ass. That's what kind of does best.
You know it.
Come on, Jeffrey, you can do it. Pave your way, put your ass into it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this old girl down. Move it up. I ain't having none of that.
Now we got such a good back tire, we might have to do some creative work in here.
I ain't got nothing to grab onto up here. Or down there. Okay. What the? That could be a problem.
What?
It's gonna hurt. I know it. No, it's gonna hurt. It didn't hurt.
I'm getting this ready to go.
I noticed. Now this right here. This right here. It's right here.
Alright, can I put this in or you not ready?
No.
Let's see where you want it. I figured we couldn't really have too much wiring, so I was just gonna. What do you need?
You get this fucking boat to go on. That's a pain in the ass. Always is.
I can't help you with that main long-term malfunction. Almost need to wiggle your carburetor. Other than we already tightened that. How about I just hold this?
Almost.
Did you try to spit on it?
No. Need a screwdriver. Flathead. Bleep head. Flathead. Come on, you Asian hooker. Oh. Give me that.
That's hot. What, this?
No, Felipe head. Motherfucker. Alright, so we got the boot on here finally. Now we're done tightening her on down. Hey, Tyler, you think you can run out and grab my gas can?
You can do a mixture.
Alright guys, so I'm just working on uploading this video right now, and I realized that we never really told you guys what happened. So basically that night we ran into some difficulties, and we didn't have a water pump gasket because we had thought they put one in it and they didn't. So we ended up having to go back to Lane's to get a water pump gasket and a couple other issues and miscellaneous things that we had forgotten. And since then, we got the bike back up and running and different handguards, and basically it's been running good. Now we're just putting all the linkage bearings and stuff in it, and we'll give you guys an updated video once we get that done. So, and while you guys are here, don't forget to subscribe and like, and there'll be more content on the way.